Hello all, welcome back students. So let us see the solution of the last question of previous week's assignment that we discussed. Let me copy this content. And this is pertaining to dictionary. Remember students, dictionary was introduced in last week's live class, and more of the patterns were discussed in this Tuesday's live class. Make sure that both the things are understood. I will be uploading both the same videos that we discussed in the live class in this week's module. Make sure all the concepts are cleared regarding the same. This Saturday you will be getting more programs based on dictionary, so that while solving that, any small or big doubts which you have regarding that topic will be clarified. And as you already know, dictionary is not that much a huge topic like maybe tuple. It is a small topic. It is a data type which is comprised of key value pair. Only 2-3 things that you have to take care, that how to create a dictionary, correct, how to, you can say, take elements from the user to enter into dictionary one by one, correct, how to add elements to the dictionary, or maybe how to change the contents, or change the, you can say, make the dictionary mutable. Remember, dictionary is of the mutable type where only values can be changed, not the keys. Okay, this is quite a simple program. Write a program to create a dictionary D1 of your choice with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as keys and January, February, March, April, May as values. Okay. So first of all, I will design the dictionary properly. Then we will go for an extra approach by which the same thing we will do from the user. Correct. So suppose I want first key. Here it should be January. Remember, it is a, you can say, string. January is a string, so it should be enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. Colon, Feb, colon. Remember, between each element of dictionary there has to be a comma. And as I already told you, that unlike other data types, dictionary has no linkage with the method of indexing. Everything is based on access based on values. Okay, so I think this is done. Display the dictionary. Chalo, no problem. Let us say dictionary is, we can simply display the dictionary. Okay, and let me first verify. As you are able to see, dictionary is displayed properly. Change the value of key 5 to December. Now already I told you what is the syntax. What is the syntax of changing, you can say, elements of the dictionary. It is dictionary name of key equal to value, correct. So I want the program wants to change me the key 5 to December. So very simple, dictionary name. What is dictionary name? D1 of key equal to value. I hope this does the purpose, and print the updated dictionary. So I will just print this thing here. Just one moment. I will just print this thing here. Updated dictionary is D1. And as you can see, initially 5 was related to the value May, and it has been changed to the value of December. Okay. Now, what I suggest, this program is done. This program is done as per the specification. Now, I will try to do the same program, taking a, you can say, input from the user, so that it will be a nice revision for all of you. So, let me do one thing. I will create one blank dictionary D1. Correct. I will ask the user that how many elements would he or she require to enter into the dictionary. So that would be one, you can say, proper approach to how we work with a dictionary directly from the user. So enter number of elements, done. And as you know, always we are executing the loop for I in range, let us say 0 comma n. Suppose the user asks 5 times, my program will ask for input. Remember, here dictionary deals with two things, keys and values. So we have to take input twice. One will be for keys, and here we have decided that key will be an integer. So let us say enter key, and here we have mutually decided that value will be string. Okay, and I already discussed in the introduction part, dictionary can accept keys, values as per integer, string, float, anything. Enter value. Okay, now what is the funda or to enter elements in the dictionary? Again the same funda will be followed, this one. Same thing to insert elements in dictionary. Dictionary name of key equal to value. Done. And outside the loop I think print the same thing. Dictionary is, I think we can say D1. Fine. How many elements I want? 6 elements I want. Enter key 1. January. Enter key 2. February. Enter 3. August. Enter 4. April. Enter 5. May. Enter 6. July. And as you can see, all dictionary elements are created with appropriate keys and values. Okay, I hope this helps a lot in doing further programs in the dictionary, which we will be assigning in this week's assignment. Fine then students, so that would be all from my side. Thank you and